Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now and I have to take my youngest to an appointment at 11, so I just want to put on a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna try to get ready as quickly as I can. My daughter just woke up right as I was going in to grab my makeup, so I quickly picked her up from the bed. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanksgiving is literally in a few more weeks. And I will be making egg rolls for both family dinners. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube and life just gets really busy. And my baby is awake. She's on the bed right now. She's like watching. I don't have a vanity spot anymore. I used to when it was just my husband and I, but since having kids, I took away my vanity area. Yeah, Mama, she. I took away my vanity area because we needed this space. Nah, okay, Mommy, open. Yeah, wow. Mama, ipla Mommy, she hug, okay. Ipla Mommy, she hug. I've been sacrificing my sleep a lot to get stuff done so that I don't have to do it during the day. I found a really cute basket last week from Goodwill and I've been trying to find the perfect picnic basket, but sometimes when you do find them, they just look really bad. Like they're not even good shape. So the one I found is still in a really good condition. It's super cute. It's big. It has like a natural lock on it and it was only like $6.99. I'm really hoping I can find some snow pants for Mavis. Okay, what was I doing? Blush. I need blush. No, mama. No, mama. No. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard for mommy to just get ready? My bonus is okay? I'm sorry. Daddy chinyo and daddy mo mama. She thinks her dad's in the bathroom, so she's knocking on the door. Got my girls all packed up already. I already have my baby in her car seat. She's gonna fall asleep, so I just want to make sure that she's already in there, so when she does go to bed, I could just pick her up and go. I just left Goodwill and I forgot to bring my camera, so I didn't do any vlogging in there, but I did get some stuff. This is probably the third shirt that I bought this kind of style, but I really like it and I purposely got this shirt for camping reasons because sometimes I don't necessarily like just want to wear a t-shirt. Like I want to wear something that's a little bit more flowy and also cute at the same time. And this is by the brand Tahari. This was $7.99. Next, I got this super cute little girl dress. I don't know what the size is because it doesn't say. I just thought it was so cute. It just looks really vintage. And then I did pick up a little sweater for Mavis as well. I scored some snow pants for Mavis. These are in the size 2T and also in petite, so I hope it'll fit her. I think these were $5.99. I've been wanting a chocolate brown sweater for myself for the longest time this season, and I found one by the brand A New Day, which is a brand you can find in Target, and I got it in an extra large because I wanted it to be oversized. I want it to be a little bit more cozy, so I'm very happy that I found this. Okay, I just got done with my second location. I got Mavis 2 Barbie dolls, which is Anna and Elsa from the movie Frozen. And I can always just wash the hair, wash the clothes, and just wipe everything down. These are still in really good condition. They were $4.49 each. I think one of them was on sale. Next, I ended up getting some movies for her. I got Frozen, of course. It's $3.99. I know Goodwill usually sells them for about like $1.99, but I have a really hard time again finding the movies that I do want. And I also got Nemo for her and picked up Lilo and Stitch. I am gonna head home now and I will catch you guys later. My mom is making some copia today, so I'm very excited to eat that. Hey, có thùng mốt với con mà. Có tao số đại video à? Cái này có setting ở đại video sao? Mama? I think so. It's currently 4:47 right now and I'm so exhausted. My husband just left to go hunting and I've been up ever since 1 a.m. because I needed to get the laundry done. Everything's already washed. I just needed to fold it and I got that done. Washed the dishes and did some editing on our California vlog. I have not been able to edit for the past 2 months. I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna go and sleep before my kids wake up. I will catch you guys in a few hours. So I took my girls out earlier to the mall because I wanted to go and find a new pair of oven mitts, but there was a lot of people out and I couldn't find one that I liked. I would be lying if I say that taking the girls out by myself is easy. It's absolutely not. It's terrifying, it's intimidating, and sometimes it prevents me from going anywhere because it is a lot to handle when you're the only one with 2 kids, especially when they're close in age. This soup is very simple. It's literally just chicken, cabbage, lemongrass, and salt. I don't really make like American food or anything like that. My parents are older. I just grew up always cooking simple Hmong dishes for them. I feed my kids a lot of Hmong food. Huh? I know, look. Over here. Oh, where's banana? Where's banana? Right here, honey. Right here. Muốn được tụi ăn nó nè. Muốn được tụi ăn nó nè. Thank you. Try again. Try again. Let me help you. Okay. Được chị rắn rồi nhớ nó. Nữ nhãn nó apple rồi. Apple? Yeah. Wow. Mới đó này hả? Bây giờ này rỉnh tên á. Hey, có số nhỏ nhỏ rồi lắm mà. Hình như cái bố tôi thấy thật luôn. Thank you. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful time with your family and friends, ate a lot of good food, and we're actually on our way to my parents' house right now. These are the 2 trays of egg rolls that I made. They are pretty deep. Like, these are the really big turkey trays that I bought. Some of them are a little bit like burnt on the ends, but they're still really good. I thought 4 pounds of meat was gonna be enough, but I actually probably needed about like a total of 6, but they're still really good. It is the Saturday after Thanksgiving and my husband's working today, so it's just me and the girls, and it's so cold outside. Everything's literally frosted, and last night was a little bit rough because my youngest somehow got sick. We don't have anywhere to go today because, one, I just want to keep my girls home. They've been out enough that they just need a break before we have to go back to work. We're just gonna stay home. I have some house stuff I need to do. I have 4 loads of laundry that I need to wash, dry, and fold. So that's gonna be a real fun day. I made my first ever speech at a family gathering, and I've always been the type not to say anything because I get really emotional when I do. I'm glad I did it, and it felt really good because honestly, life is so short. Tell the people you love that you actually love them. It's been about 30 minutes since my youngest took a nap, so I'm gonna use this time to bake some cookies with Mavis. I'm gonna get everything ready and then I will wash Mavis's hands so that she can join me on rolling the cookie dough. I bet you anything she's gonna try to eat this because she did this last year too. Nope, roll it. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 dun 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 dun. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, 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 roll. No, no, eat it. Roll it. No eat yet. Roll it. 知道啥？ This is what I mean when I say my kids are notorious for throwing things on the ground. Well, the last batch of cookies are done and then I have to clean this up. I'm letting her play with the broom and she's having so much fun. Popo. Popo.